Cycling supply chains can be increasingly complex and span across borders.
In a world where there is an increasing demand to make recycling supply chains traceable and transparent, conventional point solutions or ERP systems are reserved for one or two parts of the supply chain, giving a false sense of traceability, leading to consuming too much time, expenses, counterfeited goods, wrong claims, operational inefficiencies, and inconsistency of data. So, what better way than to have a chain of custody platform to provide an end to end material traceability and generate verifiable claims in any circular supply chain? Introducing Recyclex, a traceability platform for circular economy business. Recyclex platform is customized for your business and it tracks your material as it moves through the supply chain, capturing the point of origin, material images, geolocations, people, companies, facilities, and borders your material has moved through before finally being made into a recycled and sustainable product. Every change in the chain of custody of the material is secured using dynamic QR codes and updated our automated progressive ledger technology. Recycled plastic, biofuel, battery materials, or sustainable textiles, digital product passports provide the complete journey of the product and the associated social, environmental, and governance information. Consumers and regulators can use the DPPs to verify the claims and gain critical insights of the product journey. All data is encrypted and stored in compliance with GDPR. Collectors, recyclers, converters, and brands can collaborate on a single platform to create a transparent flow of material. And the best part is, this platform can be integrated with any existing enterprise system and is completely customizable to suit your needs. Recyclex is available in English, Spanish, Mandarin, Bahasa, and Malay. So what are you waiting for? Adopt Recyclex and unlock a world of possibilities in circular economy.